how to use an Instagram reel as a template. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use an Instagram reel as a template. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on straight to the Instagram app itself, make sure to visit your App Store or your Play Store and check if your Instagram is up to date. If you see an update button, just tap on that to have the latest features within the app. After that, you just open up Instagram right here. And to use an Instagram reel, you can just click on this icon at the bottom mid. So that is where you can see a lot of reels within the Instagram app. And just scroll through, and if you find a template that you want to use, just have to click on this three dotted button at the reel. So usually you can't see the use as a template option right here because not every reel will have this option, because some people may edit their videos in another app and then upload them to reels, so the video is technically all only in one clip. In those cases, use as template will not appear, so that option might not appear if that is the case. So what we're going to do is to go to the Explore page by clicking on this magnifying glass icon and type in the search bar Reels template, and you can click on this right here. You can scroll through their videos and this will be a template that you can use. So again, just click on the three dotted icon and click on use as template. And to use as template, you can replace the clips with your own media. So to do that, just click on add media right here and tap or select all the photos or videos you want to include in that specific reel template, and just click on next right here, and that will say generating your reel. So just wait for that to be generated, and once you're satisfied with the reel that you made with that template, just click on next right here and review the video. And you can also add more elements right here. Just click on next once you have finalized everything, or write a caption. You can also edit the cover and make more adjustments right here, and just click on share once you are contented with your with the reel that you just have created. So that is how you can basically use an Instagram reel as a template. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.